Today we'll talk about how can you find last opened on your MobiOffice app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go here above this sign. You just click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then here you will find inverse last opened here. I open in this PDF last. So, but if you have a lot, can you find it in this list here? Here can you? It's going to show for your last open it here. So that's all you have to do to find it. I wish now you are get it. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.